So I've been getting a few comments from you guys want to know where you hook up the hose on this thing. It's right down next to this black thing here. This screw will be facing up like that. So basically this screw is just right there and it's going straight down just like that. Get out of light, see if y'all can see better. As y'all can see, right there where it's at. Anyways, hope that helped you guys out. Also, when y'all plug in this hose, make sure you start the engine before you turn on the water. So it's nice to have a hose that you can turn on and off from the end of the hose, so you can start the engine, then turn on the hose, and then turn off the hose before you turn off the engine. So yeah, if not, you'd have to have a friend or someone over at the hose to turn it off and on for you. Then after you guys are done running water through the system with this hose, all you have to do is leave this plugged in. You don't even have to take that out again. You just use this little plug, screw that on, and just leave it. Well, yeah guys, hope this video helped you out. Let me know down in the comments if it did. It's pretty much it for this video. I will see y'all in the next one.